the project Smart Card based automatic toll collection system. In this project we are using a smart card as input for detecting and giving the balance for the toll collection, and this is a smart card in which you are going to insert, and this is smart card reader to insert the card inside it. And here this is the main heart of the entire device, is a microcontroller which is programmed based on IR sensors. Here this entire toll gate. So the toll gate is operated using DC motor. So here we are going to detect which type of vehicle you are approaching near the toll gate. So here this IR sensors that are located underground, like at this particular instance entirely, gives the length of the vehicle, and these two IR sensors gives the height of the vehicle. So here when any vehicle approaches, so one by one the IR sensors gives the input to the controller based on the comparator ICs. Here we are using 8 IR sensors to detect the length of the vehicle, which is compared to in the LM324 comparator IC, and which gives the input in parallel to the controller, and controller judges which type of vehicle has been approached and how much of amount to be paid at the toll gate. So once amount is made through smart card, the toll gate operates. So entire display is given on LCD display screen. So once a vehicle, as you on the entire kit, you can see on the LCD display unit waiting for the vehicle. So once a vehicle is approached, you can see the below IR sensors traces the vehicle length. So here the side IR sensors detect the height of the vehicle. So once it calculates the length and height, you can see automatical system gives toll bill amount also. It's around 20 rupees. So it is asking for the smart card. So insert the smart card into the smart card reader. So initially you need to insert. So once that particular amount is rejected, you can see the balance amount also. So apart from 20 rupees has been rejected and the balance amount is displayed. Later, remove the card. As you remove the card, you can see the vehicle. The toll gate has been opened, and the gate from the, and depending on the length of the vehicle, the time of operating the gate is dependent. So now if at all the length of the vehicle is more, that means the toll gate operation delay time also increases. So you can see the length of the vehicle is increased. So you can see the toll bill amount is 30 rupees. It's asking for to insert the smart card. So as you insert the smart card, so available balance is 10 rupees. You can see the smart card. It has been rejected. Remove the card. So you can see the toll gate has been operated. The vehicle has been removed out. So the delay time also increased as the height of the vehicle has been increased. Thank you.